Hey guys, welcome to Luxe. You know what we do here is to always bring you different hairstyle to inspire your next salon visit. And today we are talking about a look that is pure royalty. I am talking about the Bantu Knot. This style is the perfect mix of tradition and that high-end modern vibe. It's bold, it's sharp, and it honestly makes a statement the second you walk into a room. What's so amazing about Bantu Knot is just how much you can do with them. You can go for large, chunky knots if you want that high-end fashion look. Or you can do smaller detailed sections for something a bit more intricate. They look incredible on natural hair, but they also work perfectly if you are transitioning or even if you want to add extensions for extra volume. Plus, when you take your Bantu knot down, it gives you a voluminous look. It is one of the best ways to protect your hair because your ends are tucked away and safe. Now, to keep this look a 10 out of 10, you have got to stay on top of the maintenance. You want those parts to stay crisp and your edges to stay smooth. Always wrap your hair in a silk or satin scarf at night. That's the only way to avoid frizz and keep it looking neat. A little bit of oil on your scalp will keep everything hydrated and give you that clean, polished finish. If you have been looking for a sign to try something new, something simple and very easy to make, this is definitely it. Bantu knots are a total mood. Let me know in the comments if you would rock this for your next hair appointment or next salon visit. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas, and I will see you in the next video.